So, everybody's got a different way to prepare for this moment of truth. You've got a strange hobby and interest in a way of preparing for these things.
Yeah, I listen to heavy metal music to make me relax.
Heavy metal. Any heavy metal fans? Raise your hand. There you go. There's your
There we
friends
go.
right
They're
over
my
there.
colleagues. Yeah.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
You got 3 minutes on the clock there, and you've noticed, everyone noticed the last 10 seconds, there's a beep in there. So your time starts right now.
Nexus Mutual is about making something very old new again. Insurance is about the notion that society is stronger when it shares risk together. Early communities, trade groups, villages, they realized this, and they banded together to form small mutuals. They were stronger, but they suffered from an inability to grow. They couldn't grow their membership base outside of their small trusted group, and they couldn't access external capital. So what do? We put in place intermediaries, insurance companies. They allowed us to share risk amongst a greater group of people, and they also had the ability to access capital markets. They solved the two core issues of the mutual, the ability to scale trust and the ability to scale capital. But they came at a cost. They introduced a fundamental conflict of interest, the profit motives of the shareholder-driven company versus the member motives of getting their claims paid. So then we introduced regulation, heavy regulation, and the insurance companies, well, this was to make sure that the insurance companies managed the consumer's money appropriately. And that's largely where we are today. We've got a system that works quite well, but it's inefficient and plagued by this fundamental conflict of interest. Blockchain technology and public Ethereum can solve the two core problems of the insurance mutual. By transferring trust to code, we can allow individuals who don't know each other to trust each other. And by tokenizing the entity behind the mutual, we can make membership rights tradable and access external capital. Blockchain technology can bring back the mutual at scale. So now we have an alternative insurance risk carrier for the insurance industry. We have a decentralized mutual where smart contracts are linked to a real-world legal entity. So what are we going to do with it? Nexus Mutual's first product will be earthquake cover, a global risk for a global mutual platform. The platform will be efficient enough to sell micro-insurance all the way up to catastrophe bonds. But that's just the start. The platform we've built is product agnostic. As members will vote on their peers' claims, the product can actually be written on a piece of paper rather than defined in detail in the code. And this gives us heaps of flexibility. Nexus Mutual will deliver on the true promise of blockchain technology to empower the individual. Nexus Mutual will put the customer back at the heart of insurance.
Excellent stuff. Matthias, we're going to start with you.
How is the decision taken to pay out for claims?
The membership base will decide throughout a voting process on that, through a consensus algorithm. And they have the choice to vote or not. It's like the mining operation of the mutual. They get rewarded. It's an incentivized voting mechanic.
Martin, we'll go to you, and then you.
How will you enter the market and onboard your future customers?
So how it enter the market?
Yep.
So we're designing a B2B2C reinsurance platform. We can sell directly, but we're also planning to incentivize others to build consumer-facing applications that interact with the consumer directly and with our platform.
Rolf, we got a question?
Yeah, you're focusing now on earthquakes. What are the next steps? Have you any idea already?
Yeah, we want to start with natural catastrophe type covers because naturally members who don't know the other members or where they're located can actually assess claims. Once we've gained some scale, we will specialize into more narrow products which require more specialized claims assessors as we attract those to the platform to earn service income.
Guys, can we give a hand to Hugh, please? Thank you.